Here is a nice equation. Root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 by root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 equals 4x minus 1 by 2. How do we solve this? This equation looks clumsy, but there's a hint, right? This term, it is looking like a plus b by a minus b, right? Because these four terms, two are common only, right? There is a hint here. Now, if we go and squaring both of this and try to simplify that, it becomes very complex. But we have another hint. We have a hint. The hint is a plus b by a minus b. Right. Let's try to use that hint and simplify this. Simplify this. Right. Let's see how. Now, when let's take a by b and c by d. When a by b is equal to c by d, what does that mean? A by b minus 1 is also equals c by d minus 1. What does that mean? B a minus b by b equals c minus d by d. Let's keep this. Similarly, a by b plus 1 will also be equal to c by d plus 1, right? We are just adding 1 on both sides. So nothing should change, right? So then this will simplify to a plus b by b equals c plus d by d. These two equations, when this equals this, obviously this by this equals this by this, right? So if we take this as the second equation and first equation, second by first should be equal on both sides because this is equals to this equals this by this should be equal to this by this. Then what does that mean? A plus b by a minus b equals c plus d by c minus d. Right. When we are given a by b equals a plus b by, so a plus b by a minus b equals c plus d by c minus d when we are given a by b, right? A plus b by a minus b should be equal to c plus d by c minus d, right? Let's use this now. This is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, right? And let's use this one. A plus b. In this equation, what is our a? A is root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1, right? So a plus b, root of x plus 1 by plus root of x minus 1 plus again root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1. A plus b by a minus b. Okay, equals what? Again a 4x minus 1 plus 2 by 4x minus 1 minus, right? What we are doing, a plus b by a minus b should be equal to c plus d by c minus d. The numerator is a, denominator is b. Here 4x minus c, 2 is d. Right. If you simplify this, what will be left? This x minus 1 and x minus 1 will cancel from the numerator, right? And x root of x plus 1 and x plus 1 will cancel from the denominator. So we'll be left with 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root x minus 1. We can cancel 2's also. Right. So root of x plus 1 by root of x minus 1 will be 4x plus 1 by 4x minus 3. Right. Then what does that mean? Again what we can do? Here we can square now. Right. Because both are square roots only. That becomes x plus 1 by x minus 1 will become this entire thing, square of this entire thing. What is 4x plus 1 square? It is a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. 16x square plus 2ab, which is 2 into 4x, 8x plus 1 square. By again 4x whole square, that is 16x square plus 9, which is 3 square, minus 2ab, minus 2 into 3 into 4, right, which is 24x. This is this. Right. Now again, let's look. See, there is a plus b by a minus b kind of form. Right. In this, let's try to use the same formula we just derived here. Right. What will we get? We are here. X plus 1 by x minus 1, we have reached here. Right. Now, x plus 1 plus x minus 1. What we'll get? We'll get 2x in the numerator. We are using the same thing. Now, this is a. This is B, this is C, this is D. We are trying to do the same thing. A plus B, B, A minus B. What is A minus B? X plus 1 minus X minus 1. So X and X will get cancelled. So we'll be left with 2. This becomes 16x squared plus 8x plus 1 plus 16x squared minus 24x plus 9. Numerator. Denominator is numerator minus denominator, right? 16x squared plus 8x plus 1 minus C minus D, right? What is D? 16x squared minus 24x plus 9. 16 plus 16, 32x squared. 8 minus 24 minus 16. 1 plus 9, which is 10. Numerator is this. 16 minus 16, this will go away. 8 minus of minus will become plus. 8 plus 24, 32x plus 1 minus 9 will become minus 8. Right here, so x becomes, we can take what common? We can take 2 common here, right? 16x square minus 8x plus 5 will remain in the top, and 16x minus 4 will remain in the bottom. Let's do cross multiplication. X into 16x minus 4 will become 16x square minus 4x will be equal to 16x square minus 8x plus 5. The 16x square we can cancel again. So if you bring 8x this to this side, to the left side, 8x minus 4x will become 4x equals 5. So x equals 5 by 4. This is such a simple problem. Just that we should understand that because it is in the form of a plus b or a minus b, or we can, if we add both of this and subtract both of this, something will go away. We should try to use this kind of methodology to simplify terms. Right? We have used the same simplification twice here. Once to arrive to this spot, and again the to second time here to arrive here. Rather than again multiplying and making it 16x cube and all, we try to simplify this again. Right? Thank you guys.